Kasi nag-meet kami, mixed VJ ako. So memorize ko yung mga kanta, memorize ko yung mga
Nasa top 10.
top 10. Eh ako nag-introduce kay Kyle. Tsaka nung time na yun, ano pa lang, fresh out of the voice siya. So yung first impression ko sa kanya, syempre magaling kumanta. I mean, hindi pa siya umaarte masyado eh. Hindi pa siya nagkadenang ginto. So ako lang, sabi ko, I'm sure malayong mararating ng bata. So, yun yung sinabi ko. Eto na. Pero yun yung first impression ko. I never thought that, looking back at it now, I never thought that we'd have that moment 9 years later that we'd be doing a project
Like
together.
this, no?
So you really never know what life will bring you. Even during that time, hindi pa naman ako umarte din, di ba? Co-host pa lang ako eh. So, yeah, ang dami nangyari.
Nasa height kayo ng popularity niyo ngayon. How do you stay sane in a crazy world, in the crazy world of show?
Oh, ang dami mong press time, ha?
Nakalimutan niya yung tanong.
Makikinig ka lang. May tanong pa rin pala.
Sa naman ba?
Dalawa pa.
Wala na siya mga miss eh.
Siya ngayon si ano.
So, how do we, sorry, what's the
Ano ba?
Stay
Stay
safe.
safe. Kasi puhunan niyo yung emotions eh.
Yeah.
Mabibigat.
Stay safe. That's a good
I
point.
think one thing I've been able to realize is how blessed I am with the surroundings that I'm in. Pagdating sa mga kaibigan ko, mga veteranong aktor, at kung paano din na-handle yung mga gano'n. I mean, of course, a really good friend of both of us, Piolo. I mean, how much has he been through in this industry? And he's able to just not even teach us, but show us how he's been able to work throughout the 25 years. But sobrang natutuwa lang ako na I was able to, at a young age, be exposed to so many different mindsets in this industry through Pamilya Sagrado, through Wag Ka Mangamba, through all the past projects I've worked in. It's such a blessing to be able to work with so many different generations and be able to absorb what they're able to teach without even teaching it, just learning and watching them. And feeling ko doon ako naging blessed sa career ko. They always, one thing that they've always taught us, me especially, what I feel is it's never about us. When it comes to our work, it's never about us. It's what we can give to other people. Kung anong makakuha nila sa mga kwento na kinukwento namin. And yun yung lagi kong bit.
Yeah, ako naman, how do we stay safe? Kasi when I first started showbiz, sobrang particular ako sa lahat ng bagay. Siyempre, 17 years old, lahat talaga parang gusto kong malaman kung anong sinasabi ng tao or anong nangyayari dito or I don't know, ang dami kong naisip at that time. I just wanted to know what's going on. Anong mangyayari? Ano bang dapat kong gawin? But now that, I've been here for, a couple of years already, what I've really learned is, although showbiz is great and social media is great, life is more than showbiz and life is more than social media. Life is about the people you spend it with, the people who support you, and your purpose and your dreams. So the moment you realize that, mas magiging sane ka. Kasi nawawala yung mga distractions. And you just have to have a boundary talaga in terms of what you put inside your mind and kung ano yung mga voices na pinapakinggan.
May mga dream projects pa ba kayo at sino yung mga gusto niyong makasama? Since parang halos nagawa niyo na lahat.
Naman.
Nagawa na ba lahat? Grabe naman yung
Grabe naman yung nagawa niya.
Ay,
Bata pa lang kami.
Ako si Piolo.
Siguro yung mga
nagawa na lahat.
Marami
pa ako.
dream projects.
At
Sobrang dami ko pa
tulad
lang
na.
gustong gawin. Like, especially now, a biopic of a certain person, mga ganong story yung sumisikat ngayon, di ba? Lalo na sa Hollywood.
Yeah.
I do have a couple people in mind that I want to one day tell the story of. For example, Tito Gary.
Yeah.
I would love to do a biopic.
Agree.
I would love to do a biopic of Tito Gary. He has such a colorful life, such a meaningful life that I feel a lot of people would resonate with. And gusto ko yung sabihin kay Tito Gary, yun hindi ko pa nasabi. Pero stuff like that.
Ito na.
Ito na.
Tito Gary, if you're watching this, but stuff like that. What I love about our job is, yes, we are entertaining people through our passion, through what we love, through this art. But we're not just entertaining them. In a way, marami din silang makukuha sa amin. We're able to inspire in a certain way through our own passion, through just art and how we're expressing, and we're able to give them good stories, or they teach them what's good and what's bad at the same time. It's the beauty of this job.
Can we limit to the last three questions?
Yeah,
But
ako
then
last
you put
na.
naman,
I'd love to
give
do
way
a-
another batch. Go ahead na. Sorry.
I'd love to do a sci-fi or a horror or something na hindi factual pero magaling po ito. Yeah, hindi ko pa nagawa yun. Siguro that's one of my new projects.
And sino yung gusto mo makasama?
Hindi ko alam. Sino ba?
International stars.
Ay.
International.
Hanep.
You know I want to work with Miss Uge. Kasi nag-Pilipinas Got Talent kami. Ano, okay yung chemistry nila. I don't know, maybe mother and son. I don't know.
Mothers.
Pero kung may stranded kayo sa isang isla, sino yung gusto niyo makasama?
Kung ma-stranded kami sa isang isla,